Day everyone. Netiquette or internet etiquette is an ideal pattern of behavior for internet users. Guidance about what is acceptable in an online medium for personal and professional use. The rules of netiquette apply to web users of any age. Just shared manners. Parents can teach their children proper netiquette to ensure smooth communication and avoid online misunderstandings. My 3 rules of observing netiquette. Rule number 1. Remember the human. Before clicking send or post, ask yourself, would you say it to the person's face? Remember that behind every screen is a human being with independent thoughts and feelings. Don't forget, think before you click. Rule number 2. Don't shout. Avoid writing whole words or sentences in capital letters. This is the equivalent of someone shouting in your ear. Rule number 3. Remain friendly and respectful, even you disagree. Good etiquette is characterized by respect, politeness, and professionalism. That's all. Thank you and God bless.